Hi everyone. Okay guys. Today I'm going out for lunch with my two babies. Silang dalawa guys. Kasama ko sila mag-lunch ngayon. Kaso lang, ayaw nila mag-harap sa camera. Yan, walking. Hi guys. Good afternoon. Guys, lakad na lang namin guys papunta sa labas. Yan. Kasi hindi naman gaanong kalayo. Okay. Ito na kami guys. Ito na kami sa area namin kung saan kami kakain. Dito na kami kakain na kami dito.
Ulitin ko lang po yung order.
ROG because 300 hertz over 240. 240 is already not bad. Because I've already seen what 244 hertz looks like again. Everything is fast to make.
Hintayin mo lang yun na. Hintayin
I get the whole electron drawing.
mo lang. Yun, ba't na nila?
Salad!
Best burger, Abby.
Okay guys, we are going home now. Okay mo din. Tamad ako magluto ng lunch. So, yan guys, naglakad, lumapas, kumain sa labas. Yan guys. Walking distance naman lang yun guys. So, I love walking. Yan guys, may dala ako ng yan, chocolate shake. Yan guys. Yung dalawa kong kasama guys, nagpaiwan doon. Nag-edit pa sila. So, ako na lang mag-isa pa uwi. Takot din yun sa camera, kaya ayaw magpa-video. Yan guys. Init? Mainit. nakain ngayon guys. Okay. Almost home. Almost home si Lola guys. Almost. Yan guys, condo yan siya guys. Rent to own. Baka may gustong mag-rent to own guys. Yan na. Hi guard! Good afternoon po. Okay guys, I'm home and thank you for watching and see you my next video guys. Bye!